Sir, hold on.
You see this? Get the fuck out of my face right now and leave. So I'm in the middle of something. This is a 3-year case. If you don't leave right now, we're gonna fuck everything up. Just go. I'm gonna sit right there and you're gonna leave me the fuck alone. You got that?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Thank you.
When an officer tries to force a stubborn passenger off a flight, he has no idea he's about to blow the cover of a massive 3-year undercover investigation. And the moment the passenger flashes his badge, the officer's instant regret is caught on camera.
He won't show me his identification.
Is there a problem, sir?
No, sir, there's no problem. I promise you, everything's fine. I need you both to go away, please.
No, you can't tell us to go away. I'm asking to see your ID, please.
I know the law. You do not have to see my ID once I'm seated. The 2 places you can check it are TSA and when I'm providing my boarding pass. I'm already seated. You can please leave.
Sir, I appreciate that you're staying calm, but we're going to need some compliance. We're going to have to elevate this and possibly take you off the plane.
The intense standoff begins before the plane even leaves the tarmac. The passenger is traveling alone, with no luggage, and the flight attendant is aggressively demanding to see his ID. When he refuses, she calls in law enforcement to remove him.
Go and just show her ID. It's no big deal.
Getting off this plane.
It's nice that you know the law, but I think an officer of the law would know it better than you.
And
When I ask for your ID, I expect to see it.
And I appreciate your sentiment, but you need to show this lady some respect, and I will remove you from this plane if need be. So don't go around making declarations you can't back up. Just go ahead and show her ID. And move along, get this plane off the ground.
From this plane, I promise.
We won't if you show us your ID.
And you're definitely not going to threaten me,
Show
sir.
you my ID.
Because
Why
you
is
don't
it?
have it?
I physically cannot.
You don't have it on your person?
You don't need to see it right now. I
Yes,
promise
I do. I'm trying to do my
The only
job.
place you needed to check it was TSA and when I provided my boarding pass.
Sir.
I'm already seated. Everything's fine.
You need to identify yourself when requested. This is an airport. We have a lot of international and domestic flights coming in and out of this.
Understand.
This is a very important hub, so if you can't comply with the nice lady's request, then I'm going to have to step in, and I don't really want to do that. She's doing a fine job. If you can't show her ID, so do you have your ID, or did you show? So you showed it. So you showed it all those places you mentioned.
Yes.
So you have it, and you can just show it and end this right now.
I can't do that right now.
You can or you won't.
Why are you making this so difficult? We're just trying to do our jobs, and we can all move on if you just show your ID.
Please just comply with the lady.
I can't do that.
Why-
I need you guys to please just leave.
We're
Everything's
not
fine.
leaving. We're trying to do our jobs, sir. Please show your identification.
If you don't, we're going to have to escalate this to something else. Do you have any weapons on your person? Where's your luggage, sir?
I don't have luggage at this time.
You don't okay, so you're traveling by yourself and you won't show your ID and you're kind of standoffish. So you can understand why that would be suspicious and raising some red flags here.
I understand your point of view, but I really need you to just walk away.
I need
really need you to just show your ID, please, sir.
Yeah, she's been very sweet, but I understand she's getting frustrated, and honestly, you even requesting anything is kind of really, to be quite frank, pissing us off. We need you to comply. If you have a lack of
Position to tell us what to do, sir. You need to show your identification.
I am the law, and she is an extension of the law. This is her plane, and her and the captain.
And it is the extension of the law.
Yeah, this is
Airplane? Yes, absolutely. sir.
absolutely. She has jurisdiction.
Me?
Are you going to comply, or do we have to get the captain involved, or I can just remove you myself?
The officer steps in, expecting an easy win. He tries to pull rank and intimidate the passenger, completely unaware of the massive mistake he is making by pressing the issue.
I just need to see your ID. I know you've already showed it several places throughout this scenario.
Backed into a corner, and with his entire mission on the line, the agent realizes he has no choice but to break his cover. Watch the exact moment he flashes his badge and completely shuts the officer down.
Sir, hold on.
You see this? Get the fuck out of my face right now and leave. So I'm in the middle of something. This is a 3-year case. If you don't leave right now, we're gonna fuck everything up. Just go. I'm gonna sit right down and you're gonna leave me the fuck alone. You got that?
Yes.
The officer instantly backs off, leaving the undercover agent to finish his job. While this widely circulated viral footage is a staged, dramatic skit created for the internet, it perfectly captures the ultimate "do you know who I am" scenario. Drop a comment below and subscribe for more viral body cam breakdowns.